Good morning. This is Priyamananda R, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Averi. Welcome to the another lecture on star to delta conversion. Here is the question. Find the equivalent resistance between the terminals AB as shown in figure below. The circuit diagram is as shown here. We have to find the equivalent resistance between the terminals AB. So in this, we see that EC is in series with FC. EC is in series with FC. Okay. And this EC, after this, it is parallel with the EF. EC in series with FC. After that, the result is parallel with the EF. So that EC plus FC, that is 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 ohm. This 60 ohm is parallel with 30 ohm, resulting in resulting in 20 ohm. 20 ohm. Okay. Now the modified circuit can be written as. See here. This portion 30-30 in series, which is parallel to 30, and the circuit is as shown here. Okay. Similarly, and this forms the name DEF. DEF. This DEF is in delta form. It has to be converted into star form. Let's write separately. DEF in delta form, that is 30, 30, 20. It has to be converted into star, that is D, E and F. It has to be converted into star form. Okay. Instead of using the formulas, I will write RD. This, whatever the resistance RD is equal to RD into F, that is 30, parallel with RD into E, 30, divided by sum of these values, that is 30 plus 30 plus 20, that is 80. 30 plus 30 plus 20, that is 80, and the answer is 7.5 ohm. Now, this RE, the resistance due to this. See that you hold here E. For RE we got 30 and as well as 20. The 30 is connected to the E, 20 is also connected to the E. So that 30 into 20 divided by the total delta values, 30 plus 30 plus 20, that is 80, and the answer is this is 11.5. This is 7.5. Okay. Similarly, I need RF. That is this one. See, RF we got 30 ohm and 20 ohm, the same value. 30 into 20 divided by 80 is equal to 7.5. We have the values of delta. That is RE 7.5. This is 7.5. This is 11.5. This has to be connected. Means this circuit, this delta, which have been now converted, it should be written as in star. Okay. Look here. This delta is written in the star form. Okay. This is D. This is E. This is F. Okay. Some may assume this point P, or if you ignore, no problem. So value of this is unchanged 30. This is also 30. And this is 30 and this is 30. Whereas these values we have obtained that this is 11.5, 7.5 and 7.5. See this here. This 30 and 7.5 are in series, and again this 30 and 7.5 is in series. Okay. 30 and 7.5 is in series, and again this 30 and 7.5 is in series. Okay, this can be written as, okay, you'll write this as that is 37.5, this is also 37.5, this is 11.5, this is 30, this is 30, this is B, and this is A. Okay, that is B and that is A. Okay. See, this, what is this? 30, 30 and 11.5, sorry, 30, 30 and 11.5 are in delta form. I have to convert the 30 into the star form. I have to convert that into delta form. Okay, this is A, this is B, okay, this is P. Okay, somewhere you may put this as P, will be helpful. P. Okay, what the values of these here? The values of these are 30, 30 and 11.5. See, this is the star form. You have to convert into delta form. So for delta form, you must write this as this is A, P and B. Okay. If you want to find AP, that is resistance RAP, okay, you should have that whatever the values of RA and RP, that is RA is 30, okay, I'll write. If you want the resistance RAP, RA value is 30, the formula first I'll write, then I will directly, next remaining I'll write this one, RA plus RP plus RA into RP divided by RB. This is the formula. Okay, that is nothing but what is RA? 30, RP is 11.5 plus 30 into 11.5 divided by 30. The answer is 52.5. 52.5 ohm. Okay, similarly, RAP is, I will write here, this is 52.5. Okay, similarly, what I need is RPB. RPB means I should have that RP and RB. So what is RP? 11.5 plus what is RB? 30 plus 11.5 into 30 whole divided by 30 is nothing but the same answer, 52.5. This is also 52.5. Okay. Next what I need to find? I need RAB. RAB. Okay, means RA and RB. I have to consider this. RA, RB. What is RA? RA is 30 plus RB is also 30. So RA into RB divided by RP, that is 11.5, and the answer of this is 140. So this is 140. This is 140. Okay. Okay. I have the answers. Okay, this point is also written as A and this point it is B. Okay, this is extended. For us it has been extended. Okay, I'll rub these equations. Okay, the above circuit now I will modify it. Okay, above circuit I will modify it. Okay, this is P. Okay, this is B, this is P. Okay, so that what is this? earlier, that is 37.5. This is B to P, that is also 37.5. Just now we have found this one. This is B, this is A. This is 52.5. This is 140, whereas this is 52.5. See this diagram. See this diagram. Here 52.5 is parallel with 37.5. This 52.5 again is parallel with 37.5, and the answer of that becomes 21.87. Okay, the answer of this is 52.5 parallel with 37.5. Answer is 21.87. You may use the calci 21.87. Okay, so I'll rewrite this diagram. Okay, what is this? This is 21.87. This is 140 as it is. Again, this is 21.87. Okay, this is B. But actually in this, we have to find RAB. We have to find RAB. See here, 21.87, 21.87 now is in series. 21.87 now is in series, which is parallel with, see this is not delta, now this is in series. Okay, 21.87 is in series, which is parallel with 140 ohm. Which is parallel with 140 ohm. Okay, and the solution, what is that? And now I write this as, directly write the equation.